Hi. I wrote a blog post about how I analyze data using Vim and the terminal multiplexer. This setup should work on any operating system, Windows, Mac, or Linux, and really any data analysis language. Could work in R or Python or Stata or Julia or anything. This video is just a companion video. I'm going to illustrate how it works, not really explain it, but just show the finished product so it gives you an idea. So first I'm launching WSL on Windows. So that allows me to run a whole Linux distribution on my Windows computer, which is pretty cool. Now I'm here, I navigate to a folder, I open a script. Now I'm in Vim and I have access to all my commands. So I have a snippet manager, for example. When I type MEX tab, it gets expanded to all this stuff. Now maybe I want to modify a command. I have the documentation there, so I'm going to change the output parameter to markdown. Now I want to open a window on the side with R in it so that I can send command to it. I'm going to type "tr" to open it. This binding, of course, is configurable, so you can change it. Now I'm going to type space to send a command, a line, to the R panel. The first time I do it, it asks me at the bottom there which pane I want to send stuff to. And that's because if I have multiple terminals, I could send it to the second or the third. But now I'm just going to send it to the first one. So you see now on the right side that the first command has been sent. I can type space again to send the other ones like this. And if I type space on the last one, I get a nice regression table from the model summary package. This is one line after the other, but I can of course type just something like Control K to send the whole paragraph. Or I can even select a portion of the text like this and do Control K, and it's just going to execute mod because that's all I selected. So this is the whole thing. You can go to my blog post, which I'm going to put the link in the video description. And the blog post describes this in detail with all the config files.